Hi, everyone. Today, I would like to do some comparison. Let's start to compare different tools for cable tie installation. First of all, we are going to use scissors to cut off cable tie. The tail is not flat after cut by a scissor, and it may hurt our finger once we touch the tail. Second, we use diagonal pliers to cut off the cable tie. It looks flat with the cable tie, but not fixed tight on the steel pipe. Now we use needle nose plier to cut it off. Oh, no, it seems hard to cut the cable tie off and not fixed tight on the steel pipe. This time we use box cutter and see what it happened. Yes, it can cut the cable tie off easily, but a bit dangerous when I cut the cable tie. Let's use this cable tie installation tool and feel it. Wow, it's very tight on the steel pipe, and the tail is flat on the head. Okay, now you know which one is better for you to tie and cut the cable tie.